11, 12.
Wednesday, we'll be here I'll be here all day.
Okay.
But I'm not doing no please. Just dismissal any given day.
I'm gonna look at my schedule and see when I'm here this week.
Everyone, yeah, please turn on your video. We got to wait for Mr. Reed. Mr. Reed, turn on your video. No, there's right.
This rain is not coming out.
Miss Roki, number 8. She's not. Okay, gentlemen, I'm going to open court in a minute. Oh, here she is. Okay. 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no reading, talking, walking around, sleeping, or smoking. And when your name is called, please unmute your devices, mute to give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, please eliminate all noise, background, and good morning, Your Honor.
That way. All right, this is the people versus Michael Reed, ticket number P1374711, count 1. Loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Count 2, drove without cycle endorsement / no moped license. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Pauline Stroking. Michael Reeves.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So your name, sir?
Michael Douglas Reed.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation to my client. At this time, he's going to continue his plea not guilty across the bench.
Raise your hand, Mr. Reed. Or front to the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial? Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, I do.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for February 15th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, great.
All right, you're all set.
All right.
Some of these are state. Oh, Ms. Soroki, some of these are state, so obviously for Ms. Rain, so she can plead to she can do fail to display. She can do on one of the state matters, she can do a fail to display.
Okay.
All right.
So Miss Rains, so your recommendation would be plead guilty to 2 tickets for failing to show a valid license and no points, and all your other matters will be dismissed. Do you want to accept that?
Yes, I accept.
Thank you. We're ready, Your Honor.
Okay, this is the people versus Deonka Rain, ticket number X3648839, count 1, new operator's license / multiple ops. Count 2, motor vehicle operation without security. Count 3, drove unregistered vehicle, ticket number X3653060, count 1, license plate unlawful use. Ticket number P1365166, count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1022488, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P11658879, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or proper license. And ticket number SP11658879, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. I'm sorry, that's a duplicate. I just called that one. And then lastly, ticket number P1331707, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle. Count 2, driver license suspended. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant.
Deonta Rain.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation to my client. At this time, she's waiving her rights, asking court to adopt that.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Raines. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Are you put your hand down? You've had an opportunity to speak to the attorney, Ms. Soroki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, I did.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of December 10, 2019 at 12:50 a.m. on that day and time where you at or near Southfield Freeway and Warren in the city of Detroit. Were you at, do you need me to repeat that?
No, I remember December 10th, I was on Southfield by Warren. I was going home.
Okay. Were you driving a 2008 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Did you not have operator's license or multiple? Did you not have your operator's license on you?
No, I did not.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
All right, the court's also satisfied. We'll amend that count to fail to display. I'm going to direct your attention to June 29, 2022 at 4:42 p.m. on that date and time where you at or near Feeble and Littlefield in the city of Detroit.
Yes, I was.
Were you driving a 2004 Ford vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
All right, you satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis. Will amend that count to fail to display. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine for both tickets, so it's going to be a total of $400. Can you have that paid by March 1st?
March 1st?
You need more
Yes.
time? Oh, okay.
March 1st is enough time.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, I just need to go online to pay this, correct?
You can pay it online, yes, or you can pay it at the kiosk, like CVS or Meyer. Did that, you can pay it there as well.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. You're all set. We'll do one more and then we'll continue this one. All right, this is People versus Timothy Davis. Ticket number SP 1353674. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, violation basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Ticket number P1353648. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Count 3, driving left center of street. Ticket number P1088129. Count 1, improper place. Count 2, driving registered or entitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P1135779. Count 1, drove while license not valid or proper license. Good morning. Please say your name, director. Okay, sorry.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, behalf of Mr. Davis.
Say your name, Mr. Davis.
Timothy Davis.
Your Honor, there are two matters that the court had called out that are in default. We ask that those two tickets, the defaults be set aside at this time.
Is my understanding that people do not have an objection to the signals.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people. P70303. No objection, Your Honor.
All right, so the court will set those matters aside.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation to my client. I believe he's going to plead guilty to 1 count of failed display, 1 count of expired plate, and 1 admit of blockading traffic. At this time, he's waiving his rights.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the attorney, Mr. Raeigen, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, I did.
I can't hear you.
Yes, I did.
Yes. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yeah.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
That you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to July 7, 2022 at 5:34 p.m. on that date and time where you added there Nevada and Conant in the city of Detroit.
Can you repeat that?
On July 7, 2022 at 5:34 p.m. were you at Nevada and Conant in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2009 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court's also satisfied. Will amend that count to fail to display. You stipulate to the base of the ticket as to count 3.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
The court will amend that count to count 3 to blockading, and then you stipulate to the ticket number ending in 648, count 1 expired plate.
So stipulated.
All right, so the court will accept that stipulation. Lastly, you stipulate your probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So there's a fine of so there's gonna be a fine for the blockading of $175, and then there's a fine of, for the expired plates of $145. I'm gonna waive the fine for the misdemeanor, but because these are civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay so it's gonna be a total of $320. You have 14 days to pay the $320. Can you have that paid by February 13th?
Can I get like the 15th?
I'll give you to February 27th. I'll give you a month to pay it. But you gotta make sure you have it paid because it'll go into default
Okay.
and it won't close out.
Okay.
So you're all set.
Thanks.
You can bring out Mr. Robin, Mr. Robin Davidson.
Okay.
All right, this is the people versus Jerry Davison, ticket number 502-96981, count 1, operating while physically impaired, and ticket number 053478111, count 1, operating while intoxicated. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with the probation officer.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Lori Bumpus on behalf of Probation Department.
Your Honor, Pauline Strauch on behalf of Jerry Davison.
Say your name, Mr. Davidson.
Jerry Davison.
Officer Bumpus, Mr. Davidson's indicating that he completed everything he was supposed to for his probation. So have you had opportunity to review his file?
Yes, Your Honor. The Probation Department no longer has his file. However, according to the ROA, he never complied. In case number 05296981, Mr. Davison was ordered to complete the Victims Impact Panel, outpatient treatment, and perform 10 days of community service. We don't have any proof of that in the file. Not only that, Your Honor, he was placed on probation in August, and the bench warrant was issued 2 months later in October. So we don't have proof that he complied with anything, Your Honor. In addition, he owes fines and costs in that case of $1,136. In the other matter, Your Honor, case number 05347811, he was placed on probation January 31st of 2008. He was ordered by the court to attend alcohol highway safety education, and he had 10 days on the work program to do, as well as paying fines and costs and drug screening. Our records indicate that there was a probation violation hearing scheduled in that case on August the 12th of 2009. He failed to report, and that's when the KPS was issued, Your Honor. So in both cases, Mr. Davison did not comply with the court's order.
I don't understand that because I have paperwork. I have papers stating that I completed the class, the community service, the probation. I'm done. Why wasn't I arrested on a day that I caught these tickets? I'm not understanding it.
I mean, they're in warrant status.
Your Honor,
That's what I'm not.
Can
Pardon?
I jump in? Your Honor, if we don't have the original ticket, we don't really know what's been accomplished and what hasn't been accomplished. The original ticket is the true record, not the register of actions.
Officer Bumpus, do you have a recommendation?
Your Honor, he has 2 previous drunk driving convictions. This is a serious offense. We don't have proof that he did anything. We're not comfortable with just closing this matter out. We would recommend that he go to the classes as ordered by the court, and that the case be adjourned.
I
Mr.
did.
Davidson, do you have proof of all that?
I have all the 36 district paperwork, the probation paper.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna adjourn this matter and give you time to find all your paperwork to show proof that you completed everything. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
we'll come back February 13th. We'll come back on February 13th at 8:35. Gather all your documents, proving that you completed these courses, you completed community service, that you did all that you said you did.
Yes, ma'am. Highway, the shoveling snow, picking paper up, everything.
Okay.
I
So
promise you. I'm not lying on myself. I know what I did.
Okay, in the meantime, when you find that, you need to somehow get it to probation officer Bumpus. So can he have your information so that he can?
Yes, I'd like his as well, Your Honor.